Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am standing today because today's video is going to be a little bit different. I ordered a $350 mystery box off eBay, and while checking out, I was like, what am I doing with my life? 300, oh, it ripped. Look how big this is, guys. Okay. Ow. Ow. I had no idea. It said it's beauty mystery box, so that's why I'm opening it on this channel. I did order it off eBay. I have no idea what's in it. I am very nervous to find out what I'm gonna see in here. I hope it's worth $350. Something in my heart and soul tells me it's not going to be, but I thought it'd be fun to open up on this channel. I did one a while back, like almost a year ago, that was like worth $100. So I did one of these videos already, but why not upscale it, do a $350 one, excuse me, and see what the tea is. So we'll sing the subscribe song and then we'll jump right into this video.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe!
All right guys, let's jump into this box and see what's in it. Okay, the first thing's just sitting on top. It looks like a blanket. We're gonna open it. It's like Christmas morning all over again. Except for, oh it is, it's, oh my gosh, it's one of those mermaid, oh, it smells so strong like chemicals. Like, I'm not being dramatic whatsoever, I swear to God, like it like kicked me in the face. The chemical smell is dangerous. But it's one of those mermaid tailed blankets. I don't even want to touch it until it's been washed because of the chemical smell. I'm like, that can't be like healthy. Is it the dye on the blanket? What is it that makes it smell like that? Whew. And in the box also there's like a whole bunch of bags that are just white. And we'll just see what's in them. I should have definitely brought some. There's like, I don't know, the bags are dirty. It's weird. Said beauty. Please don't tell me this is a swimsuit. Girl, how do you know what size I am? This is for a 2-year-old. Top might fit me though. Okay, maybe. I don't even think this is, yeah, this is for a child. Oh my gosh. That's so tiny. Okay, we have a swimsuit. I don't think it described clothing on there. It may have misread. But let's just keep moving forward because so far, oh, straps fell out. Straps for the swimsuit. Let's see if we get some more good in here. God, it's another swimsuit. Guys, I just bought a box of bikinis. What is happening? Okay, this one seems to be like, yeah, this one's kind of cute, actually. I'm not gonna complain about this one, and this one seems to be my size, luckily, but it's like, how did you know whose size was buying the box? I didn't know it would have clothes in it, so I'm a little like baffled right now. Feels like clothes as well. I'm gonna scream. It's another swimsuit. What in the world is going on? Okay, this one seems to be my size as well. It's got some print on it. It's kind of like a sports bra. These are so tiny. Fishtail blanket. Why is there so much of the same thing in here? Comment down below your feelings. Oh, yep, this one's got the smell. How is this beauty? Okay, and then I have, what the fuck is this? Workout equipment? It's like huge. There's so much, oh my gosh, I almost knocked over my drink. There's so much in this box. Look, there's like random, what is this?
Totally, it's a shoe rack.
It's a shoe rack. How'd you know?
It's a shoe rack with this at the top that you can hang your clothes from.
You're
like
kidding.
Closet.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding you.
So I got a closet. That's good. Next item, I have a TV box for Android. I don't have an Android. Christmas lights in here. Guys, we just got beauty. We got magnetic lashes.
It's an Android smart TV box.
What does that do?
So like, it's like Amazon.
How is this beauty?
It's like an Amazon Fire Stick, but for Androids.
I'm confused. I thought this was gonna be full of makeup, like $350 box full of makeup. We have smart headphones, which that's pretty cool.
I mean, what did it come in?
That's it. That's what it. But there's like pieces everywhere. Like the balls and all are just thrown down in the box. So it's kind of confusing. Hey. Hey. Not mad about that. Girl, we got hair. Oh my gosh, guys, we have hair. These are extensions. Do not play with me. They are. They're clip-in extensions. Unfortunately, they're not my color of hair though. It's like Storm off X-Men. They feel really soft. Another pack of the same color. And another pack of the same color. So it is beauty. It's just got some extra stuff that's different. So we have an acrylic organizer. Oh wow, okay, so this is cute and handy. I don't mind this at all. It's a cute little acrylic organizer. You can put your makeup brushes, lipstick, and whatever else makeup and set it out. They gave me a ton of swimsuits, but a lot of them are so tiny. Oh my God, what is this? This isn't a swimsuit. What is this, guys? It is a curtain.
It's one of those things you walk
through. It is a walk-through. Girl, come on, 90s. I used to have these up in my doorway. I just found a bag full of screws, which I believe goes to the closet organizer you're putting together. Ty, what is this?
Don't knock that down.
My gosh, look, you hang this on the wall and you can hang your anything, clothes, whatever. It's got a little hook. So we got a wall hanger and we have the anchors to put it in the wall. Hey, what do we have?
Oh, where are my screws?
What? Ty, what is this?
That's one of the things you wrap around your head.
No.
I think it is. Not like that.
What is this? Can someone tell me what this is? Oh my God, it's another swimsuit. Another swimsuit. Why? They should have just put tropical swimsuit on. Oh my gosh, it's another swimsuit. I'm screaming. Okay, here's the thing. The box could be worth $350 because it has this in it. I have no idea how much these cost if you were gonna go buy it. And the earphones and different things like that. It could be $100 or $350. It's just like $350 of nothing that I'm gonna use. Of like junk. Honestly, this is like someone's garage they just cleaned out, put in a box, and sold to me. I bought a $100 one. This one I think said beauty, so I'm gonna open this one for you. So we have two mystery boxes happening. Oh my gosh, okay, I think I'm gonna have better luck with the $100 box because I think it's more beauty. The first thing I am pulling out is a 2019 calendar book, and it looks really nice and cute, and I'm actually gonna use this year. I always buy one at the beginning of the year. So this is really cute. It has like a leather feel to it, so go, we're winning now. Next is the Too Faced lip injection. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we just got some Too Faced makeup. Okay, see, here we go, here we go. Ah, I'm excited. We're finally getting somewhere. Hello, just buy the cheaper box on eBay. Don't buy the expensive one. Ah! I have the Sunshine Brightening Cleanse Foam, which I'm pretty excited to try this out. Okay, cleansing foam. Looks like we got a Korean face wash. Next we have another pore steam cleanser. What? By the way, I was gonna put this box on a second video, but because the 300 box was kind of like, not really beauty, I was like, girl, let me just open the $100 box and us really get into beauty in hopes that this was a beauty box. But this is a pore, you can't even see it because the lights are too darn bright. You guys see that? Pore steam cleanser. You can only see it when I put it at like an angle. We have a little eye mask. We have an Essie nail polish in lavender. Ultra portable waterproof speaker. It's pretty interesting. Oh my gosh, it's brand new in the box. Just checking that out. We have a Nicole Miller handbag, and the handbag does look new. Okay, and it's packed full with stuff. The first thing we have is a Victoria's Secret Rollerball perfume. Post-it notes. Okay, this is a coffee mug and it's really cute. It's got like a painting of two girls on it. There's this little pink box. It says it's a ring dish in here. Oh, how cute. It's a little ring dish. We have a lipstick. I'm not sure what brand this is, but ORYZA Beauty. We have a glittered mirror compact. Let's see what else. Ooh, we have another dish. It looks like, oh, it matches the ring dish. So it's like a plate and you can put your little ring dish and this next to one another. I think that's really cute. We have a Betsy Johnson wallet. That's really nice, guys. Ooh, it's like a big wallet, like you could use this as a clutch. Oh no, something was in here and it broke and there's literally glass everywhere. Ah! It's a candle. We have a candle that did not quite make it. Oh no. Okay, I'm not gonna reach in there. That's gotta be cleaned out. That is frightening. But the inside the purse smells really good like the candle. There's more stuff. I feel like there's more stuff in this $100 box than there was in the $300 box. Okay, we have a lash curler. Hello. They did all this cute tissue paper as well, so the box is like really cute put together. We got 2 pair of earrings, little stud earrings. I used to love this moisturizer. I don't know if you can see that. It's Garnier Clearly Brightener. It's like a daily moisturizer from Garnier. I think this came out of a hotel, but it's a cleanse polish hot cloth, so it's like a cleanser and a little hot cloth. From the Body Shop we got a bar of soap. We got an Arganol bath bomb, Kat Von D eyeshadow, but this one broke. She just didn't make it. This is the Thunderstruck eyeshadow. I got 3 Urban Decay eyeshadows, which this is a pretty cool add-on to the gift because I believe there's like 18 each or something like that. But we got the purple, the nude shade, and then like a rosy mauve shade. How cute. We got a Rachel Zoe picture frame. We got a set of eyelashes, and these eyelashes actually look pretty darn cute. Organic Cellulite Stretch Mark Serum. Oh my god. Okay. Hello. I have no idea if this works or not. We got 2 melted lippies from Too Faced, R-rated, and the first lipstick. Oh, these are the latex ones. 3 Victoria's Secret face masks. Call Me Papaya, Glow Down, and Let's Pre-Glam. We also got a Victoria's Secret bath bomb called Donut. We have, this is actually really cute. I will wear this, like this little head scarf thing. And then lastly, we got some shea butter. Shea butter. Let me just say this. This little box had a million times the stuff that big box had in it. That's a personal opinion. I mean, you guys may have appreciated the other stuff that came in the bigger box, but I like this box better. And you got like Urban Decay, Too Faced, eyelash curler, lashes, earrings, purses, wallets, like bath bombs, so much stuff. So I definitely liked this box better. Comment down below what you think. Comment down below if you think it's worth the money. Do you think like this was worth $100? I think this one was worth $100. I don't know about the $351. But let me know your thoughts. These videos are always fun because I literally never know what we're gonna run into in them. But thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.